everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today I am making something a little bit different. I will be using the Come Home Collection paper pad by Hersom that I did get from the design team, but as you can see here, I'm actually going to be putting it on a cute little teacup. So I was talking to a friend of mine, Chantal from Darkest Raven Design, and she actually suggested I do something a little bit different. So I went to the thrift store and I found this cute little teacup to basically turn into this really cute creation for you. So I'm going to play a little bit of music, let you sit back and watch the creation of the teacup. I do apologize, the table is a little bit of a mess. I was just going through all of the little pieces trying to figure out what to use and didn't even think of how hard it might be to see what I'm doing being this small. This is actually the first time I've done anything this small, so definitely apologize for that, but hopefully you can get the idea of what I'm doing here. I'm making a cute little banner. That was also Chantal's idea on how cool that might be coming off of the teacup. So definitely check out this video and how I create this cute little teacup. Definitely check out Darkest Raven Design. She does amazing work. She does miniatures and dioramas and things like that. She does some really cool stuff. Stay till the end though, because I've posted a picture of every one of my Come Home Collection designs for the design team at the very end, and I think that actually looks really cool. It's cool to be able to just sit back and look at where this last 2 months journey has taken me. Luckily I get to do it for another 4 months, so I'm very happy for that. And you will see these papers in at least another 3 projects. I have 1 more month and I do about 3 projects a month, so I'll be doing the Come Home Collection for that month as well. You'll probably start to see some of her other stuff mixed in with it as well, but just watch out for that. And yeah, if you've watched all of my design team videos, please let me know which one's your favorite. I think the journal, the sketch pad or watercolor pad, whatever you want to call it, is still my favorite, but every time I make one of these I love it more and more. So this didn't really take very much of the papers, and some of the flowers, I have to admit, are not specific to the Come Home Collection, but are typically either in the craft boxes or just some leftovers from my stash, but all the papers are from the Come Home Collection, as well as the little teacup die cuts that are super cute, and the little embellishments that I end up adding come from craft box as well. So it's super cool to start using stuff in my stash. And just so you know, when I bought this teacup, I was allowed out of the house, so it was actually quite a while ago when I actually bought the teacup. So let me know what you think. Definitely hit the like button if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave me a comment. Let me know what your favorite item from my design team has been so far, if you've watched them all, or if you haven't, let me know that too. Thanks for watching. Time to create.